You've probably noticed Reddit absolutely dominating Google's search results lately, especially with all the recent algorithm changes. But here's the big question. Can a link from Reddit actually boost your rankings even if it's nofollow?
So a lot of SEOs would say no. Some of them have discounted Reddit completely because the links are no-followed. And we do know that followed links are good. Like they're generally better and more consistently able to increase your rankings on Google. But I really wanted to know specifically how much value you get from a Reddit link. So I decided, of course, like everything, to test this myself. I want to be clear. During this test, there was no spam involved. I'm very careful on Reddit. I'm pretty active there and did not want to get banned. So I was pretty safe with my parameters here. I would not suggest going and spamming Reddit. So big disclaimer there. So what I found was surprising to me. Definitely let me know if you're equally surprised or if you're like, no, Joy, you're stupid. This shouldn't have surprised you. Feel free to let me know in the comments. But I'm going to share what I found from this test. And I also have a bonus tip at the end because there was a few very smart SEOs that actually sent me some tips on how to get followed links from Reddit. Really cool stuff. You're not going to want to miss that. And I'll put that at the end.
So why should we care about Reddit?
So I have no idea if Reddit was this valuable years ago, but currently it has so much traffic coming from Google that the authority it passes is clearly larger because of how well it ranks on Google. It's a good signal that tells you that Google thinks this site has authority given all the space they're giving it.
So how do you leverage that to help your Google rankings?
Yeah. So to answer your question, can you use Reddit to leverage your rankings on Google? You absolutely can, but there's some definite things that I want to be careful of here. Just to clarify, because there's different camps on this. I'm in the no spamming camp. So keep in mind that mods on Reddit, or the moderators of the subreddit, tend to be very strict. So any subreddit that is heavily moderated, usually the better ones, they usually don't allow you to just go post a link. So it's not quite that simple. But I wanted to know, if links matter when you include them, how much do they matter for ranking? So I decided to basically test this by adding a link to a post of mine. So yes, I got a link on this thing. It was not spammy. It was not promotional, and it was for science. So do not call me a spammer. So what we did is we actually linked to a property that we owned, our own site. Yeah, shocking. So I linked to Sterling Sky's site in one of my posts, and the target keyword that was used in the anchor text was what I was measuring here. I checked it 2 weeks later just to see what had happened. And I actually have screenshots here just to, again, show that, yes, this did happen. I'm not making this story up. We actually jumped from position 25 for the target keyword to position 10. Actually, I think it's gone up a bit since I took this last screenshot. So like huge. And it was one link, to be clear.
That's a pretty big jump. Does this always work?
No. So I think the key here is, like we talked about in our no followed links video, in order for a no followed link to pass value, it has to come from a page that gets organic traffic. So this would be true for Reddit threads as well. This particular thread that I put it on ranks very well for lots of things and gets organic traffic. Therefore, it's going to pass more value. If you're just like, oh, I'm just going to throw a spammy post up, and maybe that post isn't even indexed or ranking on Google anywhere, you likely won't see this kind of boost.
Good to know.
Okay, so now for the bonus tip. This is part one. So the first way that you can get a followed link from Reddit was a trick that was given to me by this SEO on X named Matthew Post. And he was talking about how you can get a followed link if you have a subreddit. So that's obviously the criteria here. If you put what he calls a sidebar naked URL. I'm going to explain what that means because you're probably like, what? What URL? So here is our subreddit. And you'll see that most of the links are no-followed. So I have an actual extension on my browser that shows all of the links. If they're no-followed, they have this red border around them. So you'll see, for example, like bookmark links, they're no-followed. Links that are generally in posts are no-followed. But if you scroll down here, there's this more section here that has a link to the local search forum. That is a followed link. And I'm going to show you how to add that again if you have a subreddit that you moderate. So how you get this type of link is if you moderate a subreddit, you need to log into Reddit with your mod account. And then if you scroll down on the right side, you will have this button that says edit widgets. That's how you edit basically the things that show up in the sidebar on your subreddit. So when you click to edit widgets, there is a widget that you can add for text. So you actually want to add one of these. If you don't have it in there currently, you would add a text widget. So I could say like, Colin is cool. And then as the text, I'd be like Sterling Sky, or I think I actually did HTTP. I'd put in here. I'm gonna have to delete this after. So there we go. Colin is cool, like sterlingsky.ca, whatever. And then there it is. I got to go delete that after before anyone sees it. But that adds your followed link. Again, this requires that you actually moderate a subreddit. So the second tip was one that was sent to me by Brock Misner, which is definitely easier for an average person to go do. And it's basically the idea that you can actually have a URL on images that you post, but only if you post 2 images. So I'm going to show you an example of that as well. So in this example here, you'll see on this particular Reddit thread, we have a post that has an image. So whenever you post on Reddit, if you want to include a post that has an image, when you go to create post, you specifically go to the images and video section here. And in this section here, you want to like put in your title. You do not want to add text. The moment you add text, this doesn't work. So in the images and video section, you put in your title, and then you want to make sure that you add at least 2 photos to your post. If you don't do 2, this option doesn't appear. So when you do that, the second image that you post will have a link on it. This link is followed. And not only that, it allows you to customize the anchor text, which is like crazy awesome. Most social sites do not allow you to do that. So I was able to put in new 6-pack layout in the UK. I don't know. I was just putting anything in to test this. But it works really well. And again, you can do this naturally if you work in an industry that's like image heavy. Let's say you're, somebody that does like handyman jobs, and you want to show like before and after pictures of like a job you did, or like ways to decorate your house. There's lots of really awesome photos that we see with clients of ours. This isn't spammy by any means to share those photos. You just got to be really careful when you are posting on specific subreddits. Each of them has their own guidelines, and you don't want to get banned. So always worth reading those rules before you do this. I'll show you where the anchor text lives just so that you can see that. So to show you how the anchor text works, I'm just going to fake a post here. I'm not actually going to post this, but let's say, for example, I wanted to post something about a job that I did. So pretty wallpaper examples. I don't know. And then let's say I add 2 images. In here, it'll show the 2 images. You have to click to edit them. Then when you click to edit the second image, there is a caption and there is a URL field. Again, this is not easy to find. So really huge kudos to Brock for pointing this out. I don't think I would have found this on my own. So the caption is what you would want to put for the anchor text. The URL is clearly the URL of the page that you want it to link to.
Wow, Joy, those were incredible, insane tips. I think we should just one more time give kudos to both of those incredibly talented SEOs that brought this up in the first place that we were able to kind of take and experiment with.